Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, for the first, let's open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon, and right now click and hold this icon. And here we are in the Bluetooth. Do the same on the second smartphone. And right now we are looking for the Huawei P30 Pro on our Huawei Y7 or for Y7 in P40 Pro. So right now just wait, and right now we can, and here we got our Huawei Y7 as you can see on P30. So just click here, accept the pair on both devices, and as you can see right now our smartphone is connected. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!